got it stuck. My next task will just be to trim off these pieces. And don't forget, there is a shelf that goes in here that is already covered in material. This, I believe, was a speaker hole cut very poorly. Not sure what I'm going to do yet about sound in this car. I do have a stereo system that I'm going to put in, and I do know that it's a multi-CD player, and that has to be mounted somewhere, probably in the boot, which means I've got to run wires through the car before I do the interior. I may kind of jump the gun a bit and get the driver's seat done so that at least I can drive it legally. I don't know if that's going to be an option. I don't know, but quite possibly, because I'd like to be able to drive it. I mean, obviously I'll put the glass in. What are you saying? Obviously I will put the glass in and the door seals, but before I complete the interior, I will probably get the driver's seat in or upholstered. Maybe the passenger one as well, I don't know. I have so much to do on this car, and I'm trying to do it before I die. I don't anticipate dying, but hey, I'm getting old. Got to get this shit done. Right, so let's get this shit done. I got me a new toy. This should be my Cliku kit. It's ever so heavy. Comes in a nice little bag. Now, this is the first time of me looking at this. My God. So the little Cliku tool. And a bag of Clikus. That is a lot of Clikus. That is an excellent tool. And from what I understand, and again, I'm going to give a shout out to Richard at Retro Power, says he prefers to use these when doing a headlining because they are much stronger and hold the material firm. Now, you've no doubt been watching my videos and seen me using bulldog clips or binder clips, whatever you want to call them, and they hold, but they don't hold very well when you're putting some muscle into it. Now, they're fine for, you know, if you're gluing something and doing that, but these have a very strong spring. I mean, you can see it there. And can I pull it apart? I don't know. No, I can't. So that's a good fucking strong spring. Tell you what, let's give it a shot, shall we? I've never used one of these tools before, so if I fuck it up, don't be surprised. Okay, which way does it go? Like that, I assume. Yeah, there you go. No, don't do that. that would be stupid, because that's strong. That is a good strong spring. Wow. Oh yeah. God, I wish I'd got these before. And look how many you get too. I'll put a link in the description. I think it was on Amazon. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it was Amazon. But that's fucking brilliant. Wow. Got to do that again now. That feels really good. I've got to take it over to the car. Oh, that's there. That's not going anywhere. Now, okay, I can twist it because I've got nice shiny paintwork, but wow. Yeah, that's pretty fucking good. Let's see down here. Sorry, this is kind of cack-handed for me. Let's see. Nope, hang on, I'm going to change hands. I do that a lot. Let's try again, Gary. Right, here we go. Look at that. You can see just, sorry. You can see just by me trying to wiggle it. That's good and tight. All right, let's get that off. Oops. Let's use me tool the right way. Yes, Gary. Use your tool the right way. That's what your wife always complains about. And your girlfriend. Right. That's that. Okay. Slowly working my way across the headlining, trying to get it right. It's going to take a little while. As you can see, I've got that one panel pretty good. Perfection? Not quite. Oh, pardon me, hiccups. Not quite yet, but I'm getting there. I've got to say, again, I know I've mentioned this. Oh, sorry, I really do have hiccups. To Richard at Retro Power, the upholstery guy, South African, as it happens. Not that that's particularly relevant. I just love listening to the accent of a South African, you know what I mean? Sorry, Richard, apologies. No, you'll never see this anyway, I'm sure. Using clicos to hold rather than the binder clips, bulldog clips that I've tried. They're okay, but these clicos hold shit tight. Yeah, they're good. So I'm going to continue to work on this and try and get it as neat as I can. And once I've got it as neat as I can, then I will be pulling out the staple gun and firing away, and the glue gun. Yeah. All right, let's move on.